I need to go to my happy place, and my happy place is a sunset shot on the Air 2S and D-Log and color graded to GHAlex, because this has been a terrible day. Okay, that didn't work. I'm gonna go for a walk.
So I figured out how to use a selfie stick. This isn't something you just use to hit people. That's pretty weird. So I'm down here at the park, testing something new, and I brought the Cheetah light, and I redid the adapter. Instead of going Garmin Edge, I just went Cheetah Light C38 so that you get a much stabler mount. And then now I'm just holding the selfie stick. I'm gonna walk up the same hill we walk next time, and I'm gonna see if I can keep the iPhone from going crazy. So my exposure is all broken. Hold up, I'll fix that. Better. All right, so we are fast approaching the hill, so I'm gonna just look over there. That's where the big hill is. So we're gonna shift over to that, so we can try to brave the hill yet again.
So if you've been thinking of buying the FilMic Pro product, or you saw the video about the iPhone 5S before it got taken down for a copyright strike, here's the follow-up video telling you whether or not you should buy FilMic Pro with testing. I went through support with FilMic, and we tried to get it working on the iPhone 5S, and it doesn't work. But on the iPhone SE, you can buy it, and then you can also buy this CineKit. I do think there is an advantage to owning the product. The iPhone SE version of it comes with a lot of other things that I didn't see on the iPhone 5S version, because that's a lot older. You get focus peaking, you get zebras, and you actually get zebras in the overexposed and underexposed, and then focus peaking in the standard green colors. I tested both of them by capturing some Rec 709 footage on the iPhone 5S and the iPhone SE, and log footage on the iPhone SE to see if GHAlex could color grade it. And you know, it's good. It works. But yeah, buy FilMic's products. Don't make content about FilMic products.